Arithmetic progression, how to find out the nth term, how to find out the middle term, how to find out any term of a given arithmetic progression was what I had discussed in my last video. Hello, this is Arindam Biswas once again with you, with your channel Arindam Maths, to give you one more concept of arithmetic progression. This time I have thought about giving you the idea about sum of arithmetic progression. Now, whenever we write arithmetic progression in terms of sum with a plus sign in between all the terms, it becomes an arithmetic series. First of all, we should learn how the sum came to its existence, means how the sum, its proof had been discovered, or how we can find out the formula. Although the formula is not asked in the proof of the formula is not asked in your course, but just for your knowledge I would like to give it or share it with you. Then we shall see a few examples to apply the formula, and thereafter a few more difficult problems. So let us start our concept about sum of arithmetic progression. Let us consider this particular arithmetic series, which is formed by the arithmetic progression a plus d, a plus 2d up to L. L is the last term. Then the same series could be written in this way: a plus d plus a plus 2d plus L minus d and L. If I reverse the order and write it, the sum remains same, because summation is sum of any two numbers is commutative. Whether I write 5 plus 7 or 7 plus 5, it is the same. Anyway, so this is equal to L minus d. The next term could be L minus 2d and up to a plus d plus last term is a. So if I add this one, let us be equation 1, this be equation 2. If I add both of them, I will get 2s equal to a plus L plus a plus L, because dd will cancel. Then again a plus L and so on, a plus L. Now let me tell you that there are n terms, because we are finding out the sum of n terms, total terms equal to n. So number of a plus L here will be n. So a plus L n times, if it is added, it will be n times a plus L, or s equal to m by 2 a plus L. This is one of the formulas, when the last term is known and the first term is known and the number of terms are known. Now further, this formula could be modified as s equal to n by 2 a plus L is what? L is a plus n minus 1 into d. So s becomes n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So both the formulas could be used to find out the sum of arithmetic progression or arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is when we write with the addition sign, that becomes arithmetic series, and if only numbers are written, that is arithmetic progression. Now we shall see some examples, then the formula would be clear how the formula is applied to find out the sum of a given arithmetic. Let us see this example to understand the formula. Here A is 34, D is 32 minus 34, that is minus 2, and L is 10. So last term, we need to know how many terms are there. So 10 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So 10 equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2, because D is minus 2. So minus 24 equal to minus 2n plus 2, or minus 26 equal to minus 2n, or n is 13. So number of terms 13. So the sum could be calculated at S is equal to n by 2 A plus L, that is 13 by 2, because number of terms 13 are there. A is 34 plus 10, or 13 into 44 by 2, so it is 22. 13 into 22, that is 286. So sum of these terms are 286. Now let us see this example. D is given 5, S9 is 75. Sum of 9 terms, S9 is 75. We need to find A and A9. So we know the formula of Sn, also n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here S9 is given, so S9 equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus 9 minus 1 into D. D is 5. S9 is given 75 is equal to 9 by 2, 2A plus 40, or 150 is equal to 18A plus 360, or A equal to 150 minus 360 by 18, that is minus 0, 1, 2 by 18. Two, 3 is 6, 35. A is minus 35 by 3. A9 will be, or ninth term, A9 will be minus 35 by 3 plus 8 into D, that is 5. So minus 35 by 3 plus 40. Whatever it is, you can calculate and get the result. Well, here A is 25. In this question, how many terms of an AP 25, 22, 19 are needed to give the sum 116? So A is 25, D is minus 3, because 22 minus 25 is minus 3, and Sn is 116. Formula is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into minus 3. This is 116. So n, 2 into A, that is 50, 2 into 25, A is 25, so 50 I am writing direct, plus minus 3n plus 3 is equal to double of twice 116, 2 6 12 was 2 3, 232. So n 53 minus 3n equal to 232, or 3n square minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. On simplifying, we shall get n is equal to 8. This we will solve it by midterm factorization. And they have also asked the last term. So last term Tn, that is a plus n minus 1 into t, that is 25 plus 8, T8, there is actually 8, so plus 7 into t is minus 3, so 25 minus 21, that is 4. So the last term will be 4. So this is how we apply the formula. I think much of your concept has been cleared because of these examples which I have shown. Try to do much more examples and clarify your concepts and doubts. Thank you. See you again in my next video.